So, okay, so you basically that your first offer is going to be the benefits of working with customer service with
The
a remote team.
how to build a, um, not the benefits of remote of moving, excuse me, of working with a remote team,
Hmm.
but just the general, may I
How to
say,
build a good team and how to
yeah,
hire quality customer service people and
Sure.
how to lay a backbone to have a successful customer service team.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to challenge you right now, knowing that I'm a small business owner, right? And we have our staff that does customer service and everything. What are the pain points that you're going to solve right away? Or what are the 10 things that I should know before hiring a customer service team? Or what are the 10 ways that I'm losing business because I don't have a customer service team? What's a success story of someone that's worked with you that was a 1 or 2 person show that's grown over the years as a result of working with your customer service team? So I would say if I got a postcard, if you gave me, hey, download the top 10 ways we see businesses or small business owners losing business and customers, download this so that you avoid these issues or mistakes. And it's going to
okay,
be the number one thing is hire a customer service team through the Hive. So that would scare me a little bit more. And especially if I'm 0 to 2 years, 5 to 50 employees, if I'm losing business, that's a big deal. So that might be one, just kind of that shock to break it up. Another one is, your top 7 considerations before hiring a customer service team, or here are the top 5 or 7 things that a customer service team can do that you probably didn't even know.
Mhm.
So pique their interest a little bit, because when we send out postcards, we're doing it for realtors and you see those all the time. But I'm always the realtor that I work with specifically here in Massachusetts. I'm putting funny images on there. I'm doing, oops, I did it again. Like I'll do anything because it will break up the monotony of a home sold in your area. Like who cares, right? So, so think about that, because the business owner is getting all this mail in their inbox. How are you going to stand out? No.